Today we're going to look at this. Tea break. Hello, Mids 1970 here, and I've managed to acquire myself a decent milling vise. But it's a bit ratty, it's a bit rusty, it's a bit stiff. Let's tear it down and clean it up.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
I don't know whether you can see this, but there's actually graduations on here that I didn't even know were there.
I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
And here's the finished vice. I'm really pleased with the way this has turned out. I've had a look online, and a vice like this will probably go for about £250, but it's going to give me a lifetime of service as long as I keep it in as good a condition as I've set it at now. So once again, thank you very much for watching, especially if you've sat and watched it all the way through. I do appreciate you watching my videos. If you enjoy my videos, please remember to like and subscribe. And I've got lots more coming up in the future, like I've said, including tidying up this mess behind me and turning this into a decent workshop. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye for now.